Hey Gearheads, Carhelpout.com, your local mobile mechanic service near me here. A simple way to get an independent certified mobile mechanic service to come to you at any location at your convenience. Today we're diving deep into a story that's got the automotive world buzzing. The recall of GM's venerable 6.2-liter V8 L87 engine. This ain't just another recall, folks. This one cuts to the core of American muscle, impacting some of GM's most popular trucks and SUVs. We're talking Silverado, Sierra, Tahoe, Yukon, the heart and soul of GM's lineup. Now, recalls happen. It's the nature of the beast in the car business. But this one feels different. There's a whiff of something deeper. A sense that GM might be playing a little close to the vest. They're offering a fix, sure, but is it addressing the root cause, or are they just slapping a Band-Aid on a potentially bigger problem? That's what we're here to uncover. We're going to break down the recall, the proposed fix, and the potential implications for you, the owners of these powerful machines. Buckle up, folks, because this is going to be a bumpy ride. If you're struggling to come up with cash for an emergency auto repair, you're not alone. That's why Auto Car Repair Loans offer a convenient way to gain quick access to the money you need when an emergency pops up. With loans up to $2,500 to $5,000. Visit carhelpout.com/repair loan to get started today. Don't forget, if you ever need to sell your house fast and as-is condition anywhere in the U.S., either to stop foreclosure, avoid county tax auction, or unwanted house, go to boracina.com/carhelpout and get a relief under house burden. Don't forget, if your local small business or good service website needs more traffic exposure from Google, Yahoo, Bing, and other search engines, go to carhelpout.com/SEO. They can help you when it comes to local SEO and online digital marketing service consulting.
Carhelpout.com. It's the convenience.
So what exactly is going on with these engines? Well, it all started with some whispers, reports of excessive oil consumption, ticking noises coming from the engine, even a few cases of catastrophic engine failure. The National Highway Traffic Safety Administration pricked up their ears and launched an investigation. GM, initially quiet, finally caved under the pressure. They issued a recall, admitting that a significant number of their 6.2-liter V8 engines, specifically the L87 variant, were suffering from a mysterious ailment. The official line, a valve guide issue that could lead to premature wear and tear, oil burning, and in the worst-case scenario, a complete engine meltdown. Not exactly music to a gearhead's ears.
CarHelpout.com. It's the convenience.
If you're one of the lucky owners of a vehicle affected by this recall, don't panic just yet. The first thing you need to do is check if your vehicle is included in the recall. Head over to the NHTSA website or GM's Owner Center, punch in your VIN, and you'll know for sure. If your vehicle is on the list, GM will notify you and instruct you to bring your vehicle to a dealership. The inspection process is fairly straightforward. They'll hook your car up to a computer, run some diagnostics, and visually inspect the engine for any telltale signs of trouble. Now, here's the kicker. Even if they don't find anything wrong during the initial inspection, GM is recommending a rather peculiar fix thicker oil. Yes, you heard that right.
CarHelpout.com. It's the convenience.
Now, I've been around the block a few times when it comes to cars, and let me tell you, using thicker oil to mask an underlying mechanical issue is like putting a Band-Aid on a broken leg. It might provide temporary relief, but it ain't gonna solve the root problem. GM claims that the thicker oil, specifically 0W40 instead of the recommended 0W20, will help reduce oil consumption and lubricate the problematic valve guides better. While there might be some truth to that, it also raises a whole bunch of other questions. For starters, engines are designed to operate within specific tolerances. Changing the oil viscosity can affect everything from fuel efficiency to engine performance. Plus, it's a temporary fix at best. The thicker oil might slow down the wear and tear, but it won't magically repair damaged valve guides.
Carhelpout.com. It's the convenience.
Section 5. Ticking time bomb, potential long-term effects. Here's the thing that worries me the most. This thicker oil solution might be masking a ticking time bomb. See, these modern engines, they're complex beasts. They rely on precise oil pressure and flow for optimal performance and longevity. Take the valve train, for example. Thicker oil might not flow as easily through the intricate passages, potentially leading to increased wear and tear on other components. Then there's the dynamic fuel management system, GM's fancy way of saying cylinder deactivation. This system relies on precise oil pressure to deactivate cylinders for better fuel economy. Throwing thicker oil into the mix could disrupt this delicate balance, leading to all sorts of unforeseen issues down the road.
Carhelpout.com. It's the convenience.
Section 6. GM's gamble, transparency, and corporate responsibility. Now, I'm not one to point fingers without knowing all the facts. But you gotta wonder, what's GM's endgame here? Are they truly trying to do right by their customers? Or are they trying to buy time and avoid a more costly recall down the line? Look, I get it. Recalls are expensive. Replacing thousands of engines would be a logistical nightmare and a financial gut punch. But by opting for a temporary fix, are they putting their bottom line ahead of their customers' safety and peace of mind? Transparency is key here. GM needs to come clean about the full extent of the problem and offer a permanent solution, even if it means biting the bullet and issuing a more extensive recall.
Carhelpout.com. It's the convenience.
Section 7. The road ahead. What owners can do. So, what does this all mean for you, the owners of these affected vehicles? First and foremost, stay informed. Keep an eye on the news, check for updates from GM, and don't hesitate to contact your dealer if you have any concerns. If your vehicle is part of the recall, get it inspected. Even if they tell you everything's fine, push for more information. Ask about the long-term implications of using thicker oil. Demand a permanent fix, not a temporary Band-Aid. Remember, knowledge is power. The more you know about the issue, the better equipped you'll be to make informed decisions about your vehicle.
Carhelpout.com. It's the convenience.
Section 8. Final thoughts. A legacy on the line. This recall, it's about more than just faulty engines. It's about trust. Trust between a car maker and its customers. GM has a long and storied legacy of building powerful and reliable vehicles. But that legacy is built on a foundation of trust. By being transparent, proactive, and putting their customers first, GM can weather this storm and emerge stronger. But if they choose to prioritize profits over people, they risk damaging not just their reputation, but the very soul of American automotive ingenuity. And that, my friends, would be a real tragedy. Until next time, keep those engines roaring and stay vigilant out there. Carhelpout.com is the best way to get a mobile mechanic auto car repair service shop on wheels to come to you. Whether you're stuck at home or on the side of the road, our mobile mechanics are ready to assist you. We bring the repair shop to your location to save you time and hassle. We also provide emergency vehicle roadside assistance, such as car battery jump start, flat tire road service, running out of gas service if your vehicle stops or has a problem on the side of the road or any business parking lot. We understand that car troubles can be stressful, so we aim to provide quick and efficient solutions to get you back on the road as soon as possible. Additionally, we offer pre-purchase used car buying inspection checkup services review. Whether you're buying from local dealership or private car owner seller, either from Craigslist, Facebook Marketplace, automotive auction, or anywhere else, we can help you with PPI inspection. We can come to you at any location, whether it's your home driveway, your office parking lot, or even if you're stranded on the roadside.
Carhelpout.com. It's the convenience.